How to make money online in 2021. This pandemic seems to have had a massive effect. Not just on our health, but also on our jobs and income. You may be wondering how to make money online but have no idea where to start. You spend your days sitting with a laptop doing nothing, but what if I told you about some genuine ways to earn money online, and help you acquire some pocket money without wasting any time? If you want to learn how to make money at home, specifically how to make money online, this video is for you. Before I start, if you want to see more stuff like this, click the subscribe button below and make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on any important information. Let's get into the video. There are other popular get-rich-quick, money-making ideas that constantly pop up, ranging from online poker to selling your collection of Beanie Babies. Do they work? No, not really. Will you be able to profit from it? Maybe. However, your 4 to 5 online jobs would most likely pay you more. At the very least, you'll have a guaranteed income. The truth is that there are legitimate ways to make money online. Millions of people do it every day. There are a variety of business ideas you may try at home using your laptop and a reliable internet connection, ranging from freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to aspiring entrepreneurs. So, let's go over how to make money online in the right manner. So, without further ado, let's get started and see how we can make some additional cash online. I'm going to mention some basic ideas that are genuine and you can earn online money from it. The first and easy way to earn money online is by starting your own clothing line. Many people over the years have become successful by starting their own clothing lines. It is proven to be a truly profitable business. Of course, starting any new business from scratch is never easy. But I am here to help you. First and foremost, you need to come up with designs. A mock-up website like Spreadshirt.com is a good way to see how your designs will look like on actual clothing. The next thing you need to know is what your brand name would be. Branding is very important to make your clothing line unique to others. Once you've prepared all these, you're ready to make money. The easiest way is to use a product sourcing website. Product sourcing websites will automatically link your store to clothing printers and manufacturers. They will handle the retail process for you as well, so all you really need to do is make more designs, and then you can ship them right off the bat. A website like Shopify is a great tool for this. Another way to make money online is being a virtual assistant, which is available everywhere. So, if you conduct a search about how to make money online, I'm sure virtual assistant will be at the top of the search results. There's a valid explanation behind this. We are currently living in an ever-increasing digital age, and this is becoming more and more prevalent, especially with the epidemic, as employers realize that having their employees work from home saves them money. This also means that many organizations will require digital assistants, or virtual assistants to help them with their day-to-day operations. So, how do I get started earning extra money online as a virtual assistant, and what will I need to do? A virtual assistant could do a variety of online duties, such as answering and responding to emails, creating Facebook ads, decluttering emails, scheduling meetings, or keeping an online diary. There are many virtual assistants who specialize in specific areas, and I know a couple of virtual assistants who specialize in creating Pinterest pins for blogs and scheduling them. Assuming you have a laptop or computer, a good internet connection, and some personal abilities, such as good reading, typing skills, and organizational skills, you should be able to get started. Do you want to make money from your skills? Of course you do. You can do micro jobs, which is very legitimate for everyone, including me. Selling your services on micro-job marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and others is a common way to start making money online. The marketplace allows anyone to sell digital services in a variety of areas, including graphics and design, writing, films, music, business, lifestyle, and others. Micro-job markets emerged from traditional freelance marketplaces used by businesses. The lines between the two platforms have blurred a little over the years, as businesses adjust to an ever-changing landscape, but in general, projects on websites like Fiverr are tiny and quick to finish. You may, for example, offer to write a blog post, design a logo, write messaging for a company's social media campaign, or create a short YouTube video. The main notion is that you make money by doing a lot of small jobs rather than one big job. However, keep in mind that micro-job websites like Fiverr can be quite competitive. As a result, you may have to lower your prices at first until you establish yourself as a dependable freelancer. If you want to learn more about this, take a look at our video about freelancing. The next way to make money online is via online surveys. You won't be able to make a living off of it, but if you're looking for a little extra money on the side, you might want to consider taking online surveys through companies like Swagbucks, OnePoll, and Toluna. These companies reward customers for giving necessary customer insights regarding brands, products, and services. Some companies pay in cash, although it is more typical to be given gift cards and free things to test. Many online polling systems also provide incentives for doing other activities. You might be asked to download an iOS or Android app and provide comments, for example. You can also earn money by utilizing a predetermined search engine, if you don't mind another corporation tracking your web habits. When it comes to how to make money online, blogging is one of the most popular options. Although blogging is not the fastest or easiest way to make money, it is one of the more rewarding ways to work from home. If you want to start a blog solely for the purpose of making money, you should be aware that it can take more than a year for most people to see any income, while others may see it sooner. It all depends on how much time and effort you put into your blog. Some could put in 4 or 5 hours per day, every day, and progress more quickly. However, when it comes to making extra money online with your blog, you must be patient. If you have a passion for something, it is usually quite simple to turn that passion into a blog. It always helps if the subject of your writing is something you are passionate about. Building an affiliate website is another legitimate way to make money online. This includes creating interesting content, marketing your website, and following search engine ranking guidelines. In contrast to blogs, an affiliate website focuses on a single product. This is why the majority of affiliate websites include product reviews. People who are looking for a product review are more likely to buy it after reading an informative review, so the chances of earning a referral commission are greatly increased. While first-hand knowledge of a product is beneficial, you can write good product reviews by either hiring others to write for you, or summarizing what others have written. There are hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs available online, but the Amazon Associates program is a good place to start. While Amazon's commission rate is lower than that of other affiliate programs, their store converts better due to brand loyalty. Affiliate websites are without a doubt one of the most effective ways to make money online. This global pandemic has taught me one thing: it is essential to earn extra money online and to have a passive income. How to make money online is now a more popular search term on Google than it was at the start of the year. Everyone's jobs have been and keep going to be in danger, and having a second or third source of income is like having a safety net in case the worst happens. Choose and try one of the above making extra money online tips and see how you fare. I'd love to hear about your progress in the comments. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, press the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update from this channel. See you guys in the next video.